Starting around 25 November 2023, Bitgert actually basically is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.98% in every practical sense, for the most part most recent 1 hour, in an exceptionally kind of enormous manner in a huge manner. Brise generally certainly has a truly all-out market cap of $63,472,411, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,887,967, which in a real sense, sort of is very huge, which sort of is genuinely critical. This explicitly sort of makes Bitgert, Brise, sort of certainly positioning at 399 in the digital currency market in a ridiculously significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense all things considered is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitgert really be somewhat commonly worth in 2023, which in a real sense especially is very critical in a kind of large manner. Is Bitgert a sort of kind of wise venture or entirely all plans and purposes worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of sort of large manner? Will Brise cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking pretty commonly high in an unpretentious manner, which certainly shows that starting around 25 November 2023, Bitgert ridiculously is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.98% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a fundamentally huge manner, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. These most certainly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a very sort of enormous manner, or so they thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost by and large is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of $0.00000016. The normal quite all plans and purposes least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to basically explicitly be $0.00000016, which especially is genuinely critical. Besides, Brise can explicitly arrive at in every way that really matters, in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $0.00000017, which in every practical sense, especially is genuinely huge in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitgert value conjecture November 2023, the actually quite normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could sort of basically go to $0.00000016 toward the finish of November 2023. Reasonably truly further appearance how by and large especially is Bitgert, an especially wise venture, or for the most part extremely worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. Brise could generally for the most part be exchanging around a genuinely lovely greatest worth of $0.00000016, with the sort of certainly least expected cost of $0.00000014, which is very critical, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost of Bitgert for the most part truly is basically commonly anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely lovely least worth of $0.00000016 in December 2023, which quite is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. The Brise cost could by and large fundamentally arrive at an especially sort of most extreme worth of $0.00000017, with the very exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 all through 2023, which really is very huge, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitgert most certainly especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost entirely has shown an especially decent increment of 1.08% in the very sort of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitgert generally in every way that really matters is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense, especially other crypto coins, showing how Brise explicitly fundamentally has a sort of all-out market cap of $63,472,411, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,887,967, which for the most part explicitly is very huge in an unpretentious manner. The Brise sort of truly is down to nearly 1.17% in the actually by and large most recent 7 days, or so they really thought, kind of, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for exceptionally past actually quite couple of days. The coin could sort of essentially have pretty kind of solid basics, yet we don't in every practical sense especially feel that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, pretty genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise explicitly for the most part diminished by 67.263%. Wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.00000033 from its especially genuinely current worth in an actually quite significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin fundamentally in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can quite be an entirely decent sort of certainly purchase a valuable open door for entirely fast speculation. Actually further appearance how assuming you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense for the most part is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert generally for the most part be somewhat exceptionally worth in 2023 in an especially extremely enormous manner, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert value conjecture 2023 facts what will fundamentally be Bitgert essentially kind of worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely significant way. The Brise cost especially for the most part is estimated to by and large truly arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.00000017, with sort of truly least cost of $0.00000016 toward the finish of 2023. Which in a real sense shows that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Brise cost fundamentally is supposed to basically really cross an especially lovely normal value level of $0.00000016, the normal genuinely least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the quite current year. Ought to essentially certainly be $0.00000016 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Bitgert actually generally have a future in a genuinely significant manner and an essentially significant manner? As far as value, Bitgert explicitly in a real sense has an extraordinary by and large exceptionally potential to in a real sense certainly arrive at new levels. Which generally sort of demonstrates the way that Brise could especially basically be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.00000016, with the especially essentially least expected cost of $0.00000014, or so they for the most part thought, which for the most part is genuinely huge. It especially most certainly is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business examiners.